Welcome to a special holiday edition of Life Management with Ashlyn. Today, I am going to teach you how to wrap a present. Let's get started wrapping our present.
You will need wrapping paper, tape, and kid-safe scissors.
Cut your wrapping paper to fit the box you are wrapping. Leave enough wrapping paper to wrap around the box lengthwise and to fold over half the box on the ends. Wrap the wrapping paper around your box lengthwise and tape into place. Now it's time to close up the ends. That's where the special trick is. Fold the top half of the end paper down and crease it. Fold in both side pieces. And finally, bring up the bottom piece and tape into place. Repeat this on the other end. Yay! Now you have a perfectly wrapped present. Thanks for watching, everybody. Happy holidays and subscribe to Sunshine Fun. Bye!